The production method of Buddhist incense is generally divided into 5 steps: prepare raw materials, stir and mix spices, put into machine for briquetting, dry, packaging. Boilers play an important role in many aspects of incense making. Let's take a look at the user site. Choose a suitable boiler grate according to the customer's fuel characteristics, such as a small chain grate, which can resist temperatures up to 1200 degrees Celsius. The horizontal 3-pass structure and large furnace ensure full combustion, and the large diameter drum increases the radiant heating surface. High-quality water softeners, pumps, dust collectors, slag removers and other accessories ensure longer boiler life and reduce environmental pollution. A safe, stable and energy-saving boiler system can enhance the competitiveness of your enterprise in the industry. At present, EPCB's boiler is operating stably, creating value for customers. Choose EPCB, choose your most assured product.